So the equation we're going to be learning today from group B is the a squared plus 20 equals square root equation has a's in it, and I'm just going to change it to x's because a's don't get along with me, so it's going to be an x. So the actual equation is, now with my x's, is x squared plus 20 equals square root of 9x. There we go. So, to solve this equation, we are going to square both sides to get rid of the square roots. So you're left with x squared plus 20 equals 9x. Now, to get standard form, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 9x on both sides, and so you're going to get minus 9x. So you'll have x squared minus 9x plus 20. You want to put the 9x in the middle so it's in standard form. Then you're going to want to do factoring, my favorite thing in the whole entire world, not really. So the factors of 20, you have to find the factors of 20 that will add to give you a negative 9, and it will multiply to give you a positive 20. So the factors of 20 is 1 and 20, 2 and 10, and 5 and 4. If you make 5 and 4 negative, it adds to give you negative 9, and you multiply them together to positive 20. So your factors would be x minus 5 and x minus 4. That's not your solution. You have to set your factors to 0. So x minus 5 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. So you add 5 on both sides. So x equals 5. Add 4 to both sides equals 4. So x equals 4, and there would be your answers for this problem. And now to move on to the next problem. Ow! Let's not hurt ourselves in the process of doing that.
You have a hard time with that.
Shut up! Okay, so our next problem is from group A, and it's square root of 5r plus 10 equals 15. Now, since the square root isn't by itself, we have to subtract 10 on both sides. So 15 minus 10 would be 5. So you have 5r, square root of 5r. To get rid of the square root, we're going to square both sides. So you're left with 5r equals 25. Then from here, it's pretty simple. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So you're left with r equals 5, and that would be your answer. Get it? Got it? Good. You just learned math. Let's go.